The whole point of the gardening is to make sure that eventually the kids and the community will take care of it on its own. And so the Mission Continues was gonna partner up and bring the music so we can get the energy going, meet some of the families and the volunteers. And they're looking forward to also doing more events with our community and helping out. So we're always welcoming different partners from the community to do great things here on the East Side.
The little ones that are out here that are serving, I see so much pride in them already. You know, I've met some students that actually attend this school, and they told me, they're like, I walk by here every single day, you know, so they're gonna be able to take pride and tell their friends like, hey, I did that, you know, I did part of that. They know over this weekend, they did something that was impactful. They did something that was special, you know, that needed to be done. Even if they don't know fully what was done here, now when they walk around at schools, at different buildings where they have gardens, they have plants, they kind of know what went into putting that there. You know, it wasn't just like, hey, it's there, it's pretty, it looks nice. No, a lot of the times somebody, especially when it comes to buildings, you know, the landscape is put there by somebody. So it gives them something to look forward to be proud of, and also something that they like, hey, you gotta take care of that because somebody worked hard on putting that there.
My name is Mia Rivera. I'm in 5th grade, and the school I go to is Democracy Prep at the Stewart Campus. I think it's amazing that we're incorporating gardening into our school and like helping teach kids about how to garden. It helps like the community know that we're here and that we're gardening and helping the community.
We started Democracy Prep in 2018, so this has been 5 years of really hard work and love that we've poured into not only our students, but building a community. The true success of all of this is that the families and scholars feel part of the community. We're a hub for something more than just your education. It's a place where you come together and support one another. So I think that love is truly visible in when you walk through those hallways, and the kids are just so excited to come to school.